Hi there, I'm Bryce Button, Director of Product Marketing here at HDR Video Systems at ISE 2020. And we have a number of items going on this year, but one of the products I'd like to talk about is our HDR Image Analyzer 12G, which is now beginning to ship. So the Image Analyzer 12G has a 12G SDI connection, which means two major things. One is 4K Ultra HD across a single SDI cable. The second is combine the 4 ports and you can do 8K. So if we're looking here in our image analyzer, and I come under video, you will see that we can indeed handle Ultra HD 2, which is effectively the TV version, or 8K, which is the DCI version for cinema. You might be terrified of the fact that we're now talking about 8K. Do not be. The reason you want 8K is so you can do virtual sets and backgrounds. You can do huge displays if you're in the AV business, all with great resolution. We support that with HDR. If you want the tool to see what's going on with your color, as you can see here on screen, here's my footage. This is a unique tool. It's got what we call LumiColor. You get to see contrast as well as your luminance. And again, within the color space, you can see we're producing here stuff that falls into the P3 space, which is what your HDR screen is. Just like this wonderful iPhone 11 Pro Max here, you can actually see HDR on it, right? And that is within the P3 space. Now, HDR can be complicated, but it isn't really. If you want to learn more, please visit AJA.com. So that's Anthony Jonathan Apt. And you can go to the solutions page, take a look under HDR, and you'll find a lot of information as well as links to all the great products we make that'll help you with your HDR workflow.